What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, loves? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Yes, girls, I hope y'all feeling this look today. Baby, I am giving Purple Rain Goddess. Ooh, I'm just playing around right now with some Halloween makeup because I'm doing probably like Apollonia from Purple Rain. So I'm just trying to get like an idea, or maybe a goth fairy. I don't know yet, y'all, but y'all tell me what you think of today's look. Anywho, guys, today we're going to be unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. Now, this bag is increasing in price, and I do have a little opinion about that. So if you guys want to see what's in September's Glam Bag Plus, stay right there because we're going to get it on and popping really soon. Oh, girl, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know it's free, right? All right, loves, welcome. As I said before, I'm your hostess with the mostest, Tonyanicole. Welcome. I'm so happy you guys decided to click the button and watch your girl today. Now, these videos I'm putting out right now is kind of like, you know, I have a lot to do. So some of them will not have the shout outs in the video. It'll be in the description. Some of them I will, but y'all just bear with me because I'm just going to be putting these out because the month is almost up. But if I do happen to do a shout out in this one, I do want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I do not have a drink. I have water. I know y'all not drinking. We don't drink no water, but y'all take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. All right, so this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. Now, starting August 1st, starting October 1st, these bags will be going up to $28 per month instead of the $25, and you know you do have to pay taxes. Also, the Glam bag will be going up to $13 from $12. This is the issue that I have with Ipsy. I already canceled my Glam bag. I think I'm going to keep the Plus for right now, but my choice items haven't been really too good. The items they choose for me hasn't been really too good. So I'm kind of on the fence as to if I'm going to keep this subscription or not. Let me know if you guys have canceled already because I'm very interested in knowing. But yeah, $28, I don't know. They better be coming with some better products in October, right? Absolutely. But for this month, the Glam Bag Plus is $25, and you're gonna get 5 full-size products in this bag. They do let you customize 3 products, I think. They choose 2 and you choose 3. Yeah, let me know how your choices have been, guys. Mine have been not too good. I don't even know what I got because this girl, whatever. I do have a link down below if you want to pick up Ipsy. Now, I wonder if the value is gonna go up since the price is, you know, I don't know. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get this bag on and popping. Boo. Dance break. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is going out before or after my PR unboxing, but I hope you did watch it. If it is out now, I don't know. Let's open it up though. All right, this is the little bag that it comes in. I'm really not too fond of this bag this month. I prefer the Glam Bags bag for this month. They do give us a card, but it's no prices or anything in it. So it says on the front, cheers to 10 years of Ipsy. And they say they have a 10-year Glamiversary limited edition mystery bag that's coming really soon. This is what the card looks like. And on the inside, we just get some, you know, miscellaneous things. The theme is back to work and school life right here. So let's just go ahead and pull out. I do have my phone so that I can look up prices and stuff to let you guys know. Oh, y'all, and I'm just looking at my Ipsy site, and it looks like Huda Beauty will be the next influencer to be in the Glam Bag X, so I'm definitely keeping that one, and it's still going to be $55. They're not going up on that one, so that's good, but I think I'm going to get this one. Okay, let's start with what Ipsy chose for me, and first up is a Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. I have to pull it out the bag, y'all. Here is the product right here. It is a clarifying oil water gel, and you do get 47 milliliters of product in here. Y'all know I am a fan of Murad's. It says it instantly smooths soothes and hydrates with this oil-free gentle moisturizer. Okay, it's made with, girl, they have words I don't know how to say. Something technology with Korean red pine leaf extract, which helps support healthier looking skin, while ginger root extract and hyaluronic acid help comfort and nourish with a non-greasy finish. And you're gonna use this in the morning and at night. Ooh, love the bottle. My lights may be just a tad bit too bright, but that's what it's looking like. And let's see the price on this little baby right here. It is $44 and it is a moisturizer. So I'm very happy about receiving this oil-free water gel. I do love moisturizers, so this one is okay, but I hope it's not too skincare heavy. Let's see their next choice for me. All right, so the next product that they chose for me is from Neogen Dermatology. This is the bottle right here. This is a clear, soothing, foaming cleanser. You get 100 milliliters of product in here. It has intensive blemish care. All right, have y'all heard of this brand before? I don't know, I don't think I have. So it says this is $19. It is a full-size product. It's a cleanser that is packed with acne-fighting ingredients like I don't know how to say that word, acid, tea tree oil, and centella extract to help target breakouts by removing excess oils, eliminating dirt and bacteria, and calming redness and irritation. All right, love, so this one is $19 and they chose 2 skincare products for your girl. All right, so now we're gonna move to the products that I chose, and my choice items were not really too good, guys. It was very, very skincare heavy, or they had items that I just really wasn't interested in. But nonetheless, I did pick Laura Geller's Baked Balance and Brightening Color Correcting Foundation. This is what the packaging is looking like, and I did get the shade Toffee. I hope it worked. I mean, I've never heard of a foundation from Laura Geller, but it's a color correcting foundation, so this should be very interesting. All right, so once we got that open, oh my God. All right, ooh, okay. So this is what the packaging is looking like right here, loves, and it's a color correcting foundation. Oh, we get a little mirror. Hey, love. All right. This is what it looks like right there. Let me get my phone so I can read up about this little thing right here. So this is $34. It is a foundation. Think of it as a color corrector meets foundation. It has a creamy formula that brightens and balances very deep skin with neutral undertones while providing buildable and long-lasting coverage. All right, you're gonna apply this with a foundation brush. So let's just go ahead and mix them all together. That's what it looks like on my finger, very orangey-like. And that's how it swatches out right there. So, I mean, I guess maybe we can build it up. I don't know, but that's how she's looking. So yeah, all right. Laura Geller's color correcting foundation, 34 bucks, right? Yes. So next up we have from Vegan by Happy Skin. It's this toner right here that I chose. This is the original skin toner. It retails for $49.48. You do get 100 milliliters of product in here, and it says calm your complexion post cleanse while prepping your skin for serums and a moisturizer with this toner. It uses a blend of antioxidant rich and skin soothing ingredients like aloe vera juice, chamomile, and calendula. I know that's wrong. You're gonna apply this with a cotton pad and then swipe it on your face, and it's vegan, and that's it. $49.48. Let's smell it. There's no little seal on it. Ooh, it has a nice light scent. It's alcohol free, but I hope it won't break me out because of all the stuff added, but I will enjoy this, and I'm gonna use this, even though I wish I had more makeup options. I mean, all right. Let's move on to our final little product. Alrighty, and last but not least, we have this little palette. And this is Shades by Shan. This is a bronzer. Ooh, okay. Truffle bronzer from the Contour palette is what it says. Let me get my phone so I can see what it is, boo. This is in Truffle, the shade Truffle. This is $15. You get 7 grams in here. It's a full-size product. It says, extend your summer glow with this easy-to-use bronzer. The matte powder formula is super soft and blendable and never looks cakey or chalky on skin. We've been getting a lot of bronzers lately. BoxyCharm has been given a lot. Now Ipsy, that's what it looks like outside. We do get a mirror. Hey, love. And okay, I guess this would be like a good bronzer for me, actually. That's how it looks. Very nice. I love a bronzer that's like red undertoned because it makes my skin just look more sun-kissed right there. It is a little light, but that's it right there, guys. We'll see. I probably could pass this on to my mom, actually. That'd probably be a better bronzer for her. But I am happy to receive this product. All right, love, so that was our final product in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. When I added everything up, we got a total of $161.48. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Murad this clarifying oil-free moisturizer, from Shades by Shan this bronzer, from Vegan by Happy Skin this toner, from Laura Geller this color correcting foundation, and from Neogen Dermatology this foaming cleanser. So these 5 products are right here, my loves. And my final thoughts on this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was, I think this was a dud, y'all. My choices weren't good. I had such skincare heavy choices. Only 2 makeup products here is the bronzer and the color correcting foundation. All of the rest are skincare products. I don't know, y'all. Like, this is why I'm thinking about like not getting the Glam Bag Plus anymore. But Ipsy, your choices for me have to be better. I have redone my quiz numerous times and I rate my products. I do all of that and I don't know what's going on, but I am just not happy right now with Ipsy, and for them to be increasing their product, increasing their prices, and I don't know if the value is gonna go up or if they're still gonna give us the same old crap. I mean, I know it's only so much you can change, but I mean, go by my profile. I love makeup. I like skincare too, but I need more makeup. Yeah, so at least they gave us something different with the color correcting foundation. So I'm happy about that, but I'm gonna need them to do a little better if they're going up any prices. So yeah, let me know if you're gonna continue with Ipsy, if you're gonna drop them. Let me know how you feel about the price increase and what you think about Huda coming to the Glam Bag X next, I think it's in November, I think. I'm very excited about that, guys. So I'm definitely gonna keep the plus through that time. But yes, that's all that I have, my loves. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is a content that you enjoy for your girl. Follow me on all of my social media. It's all down there. Ipsy link is down there as well. I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. Be blessed and stay safe, loves. Bye.